Automatic daw kikita ka na basta mag-live ka lang daw dito sa TikTok using the new feature ng Go Live. How true is this? Sobrang daming misinformation and people keep tagging me. So, syempre, inaral natin siya. Disclaimer, the new Go Live feature is hindi naman talaga siya bago. It's been available for several countries around the world. Pero dito sa Philippines, unti-unti pa lang siya ni-roll out. So, for today's video, dahil nag-research ang Mima Ara nyo, ang Coach Ara nyo, let's talk about the requirements. Ano nga ba yung pwede at sa hindi pwede? But before anything else, I know you guys have been asking, Miss Ara, ang ganda naman ng ilaw mo. I've been using the Tofu Light. This one, I've been using the new Tofu Light para pangdagdag ng mga ilaw-ilaw sa background ko. So I will link this down on the basket. But now, let's talk about TikTok Go Live and I will be flashing it on my screen. Number one, this is called the TikTok Live Incentive Program. So, ito yung requirements na nakalagay accordingly kay TikTok. Number one, you need to have 1,000 followers. Number two, you need to be at least 18 years old. So, alam na natin, okay, mga legal adult age lang ang pwede. No recent content or live monetization violation. Guys, this includes yung mga account strikes. Yan ang tinanong ko kay akin TikTok live support. Next one, the reward rules. Only qualified videos based on the requirements of each topic will be eligible for reward. So yes, hindi pwedeng basta-basta lang kayong mag-live at kikita na kayo. There are assigned topics na pwede nyong sundan. Next is the cash rewards will be calculated according to the reward structure of the program described on the topic details page. Ang daming nagpapakita dito, go live, tapos yung income daw nilang 75,000 na mali-mali. Tingnan nyo muna dun sa mga draft nyo if you have that add link and go live. Kapag ka nakita nyo na available na sa inyo yung go live, meron kayong makikitang tatlong options once you click on it. Number one is my live, my story. Number two is genuine interaction matters in live. And number three, live can be easy. So, yan yung tatlong topics currently na available sa go live. Pag clinic nyo yung any of the topics dyan, makikita nyo yung remaining reward. That 75,000 pesos is the reward pool. Hindi yan yung income ng mga taong nag-start na with Go Live. Ibig sabihin, paghahati-hatihan nyo po yan hanggang maubos siya. 1,154.60 pesos per 1,000 clicks dun sa live na Go link ang potential income if qualified kayo doon sa program. And sa baba naman makikita nyo leaderboard. Currently wala pa kasi wala pa namang gumagawa at nagko-qualify talaga sa program. Next is the trending videos. You can use that as your reference para ma-inspire kayo kung how to do your live or go live videos ng tama. So, ito naman yung mga requirements ni TikTok para mag-qualify kayo dun sa Go Live. Number one, keep video live related. Number two, follow language requirements. Number three, keep your face visible. And number four, clearly direct to go live. So, hindi pwedeng may kung ano-anong links dun sa video nyo. Dapat talaga go live lang. Remember that only qualified videos ang approved to get incentive. So, kapag yung go live video nyo hindi siya approved, ito yung lalabas sa inyo, hindi kayo eligible to get the reward and you will be disqualified from the TikTok Live Incentive Program. However, kapag ka naman qualified kayo or approve yung inyong video nyo, makikita nyo na you will start seeing incentive rewards on your account. Makikita nyo dito yung rewards received at saka yung rewards to receive. Here's another example ng mga topics na meron sa ibang bansa. Go live, grow fast, how I achieve live rewards, and my live debut. So, technically, lahat ng topics na binibigay nila is about your live, your story. Follow language requirements. So, may mga language requirements na pwedeng English lang yung kailangan yung sabihin during your video or there will be other requirements for your video. Video topic, video duration, video sentiment, even your tone of voice on how you deliver your voice and your videos, importante din po siya sa Go Live. Most important one is to keep your faces visible. Yan ang pinaka-favorite ni TikTok ngayon. Live man siya o mag-yellow basket man, you have to really show your face to build credibility and trust among your audiences. Clearly direct people to go live. So again, hindi pwedeng maglagay ng basket at kung ano-anong link pa dun sa mga content nyo. Simply just put go live. Lastly, ang gusto ni TikTok is fun, inspiring contents. This is your raw, organic, authentic self, hindi pilit. So yun lang yung mga kailangan mong malaman for now para makagawa ka ng qualified live incentive program video dito sa TikTok. Remember lang na itong Go Live feature natin, hindi pa talaga siya fully rolled out sa lahat. So pwedeng meron yung iba, meron wala. But the best way to do it is to make sure updated yung mga latest TikTok apps natin, Play Store, Google Play Store, Apple Store para malaman natin kung up-to-date nga ba yung ating app. Sa mga susubok po, good luck po sa inyo as someone na nahihiyang mag-live all the time. I don't think I can try this one. Pero sa mga laging nagla-live, this is really a good opportunity to earn more on TikTok. So good luck, guys!